Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this beautiful bottle art. It is really simple. You can easily make this at home. So let's start it. I will use this glass bottle for this craft work. Now take a bowl. Take 1 spoon of POP or any baby powder. Take 1 spoon of glue and 1 spoon of water. Now mix them well. And apply it on this glass bottle. It will work as primer. You can also use white acrylic paint here. So this is 1 coat of this mixture. You may need 1 more coat. Now let it for drying. After drying, apply black acrylic paint over it. So this bottle is dry now. I will work with my homemade coal porcelain clay over it. You will find the clay recipe link in description box. You can also use modeling clay. As I will make simple flower design, so I am making the petals now. I have made these petals. Try to make small petals also for small flower. Take any paper or cloth, put it in the back as shown in the video to make the bottle stable. Now use some glue or water to make the flowers and arrange everything. You can always customize the design with this clay. Even you can make this particular design also because this is really easy to make at home. Try to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important steps. I am going to make random design here. You can make the design as your own choice. Now let's make the leaves. You have to make this leaf for this bottle art, because it will increase the beauty of this design. And here is my final clay design. Now I am going to color it with acrylic paint. First apply some brown color, then apply golden over it. Now color the leaves following the same procedure. You can leave this design with white and golden because it still look good, or you can color it with pink. Even you can use any kind of color as you want. Now color the white part with green and apply some gold dust over it. You can also apply this over petals for giving a golden look. And this beautiful bottle art is ready. I have applied some white acrylic paint to the petals for highlighting it. You can let it as it is. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and tell me what you think about this idea in comment section. Thanks for watching.